Me no know what part you
You
go.
obviously not in a
Me and you not go
relationship.
back at the same yard. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, whenever time you're getting this. I'm up now, it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I got a little bit of rest. Alyssa woke me up at 11, just here screaming on top of her voice in the house. After I took the entire night editing, I lost everything from yesterday's vlog. The computer just crashed after I edited for about 2 to 3 hours. So sorry for that late upload. We're gonna get 2 uploads today. You got one earlier this morning. So 2.
2 in one day.
Yeah.
You can binge watch.
Binge, I said that again?
Binge watch.
Binge watch it. And guess what? Big up all my fellow Jamaicans today who are celebrating Grand Market. You know what I say?
Oh, it's today?
Yeah, today our Grand Market at Jamaica. Christmas Eve is our Grand Market. And it go over into Christmas, right?
Put that down for 1 second. Jameer.
Jamaica, turn that down right? Come on, turn it up, give me a last.
Yeah, he really is. So my question is, like, I've always heard of Grand Market, and like I think I have the concept in my head. So is it you guys just get money or whatever and you go out and do whatever you want?
Never go out, you think?
No, I always want to experience that.
So the word grand mean massive. And a market. So that come like how they have the Christmas market at Canada where people go shop. But Grand Market, everybody make money. The jerk man. People come with foreign clothes from foreign, toys from foreign, and sell.
So instead of gifts,
party. Alright, listen. Let's say you're going down Simcoe.
Okay.
Or one of them. You're going down King Street, Simcoe, and one of them street there, you have at least 10 parties.
Oh my god.
On the strip. So you just party hop. You know, you'd have just one party in a Christian town. You have at least 10 different locations with big sound string up and party and keep them from the start of Christian to the end of Christian. And that's the same thing in every main town and community. And people out like dirt from until the morning. They just go straight till the world.
So basically, it's just filled with parties,
food,
clothes, shopping, everything.
Yes, everything.
Oh.
It's a grand market.
So the grand
music,
market. Okay.
Music, everything.
Comment below your experience of Grand Market, because I don't think...
Best.
If I did, I would have been really small. But I don't remember doing it at all.
Best, man.
But it sounds sick. Everybody loves it. I remember crying
one time.
Oh, because you didn't go?
Yeah, because I remember it's a tradition in the man. Because mommy buy one shoes to me never like.
Oh yes, you told me that story.
I just get sad.
But you guys went out because your friends were like, "Yeah, man, it's nice." And
no,
just
that one time I actually go, but one next time I don't go because I think mommy did come late with my clothes. I remember Grand Market, you know. You see our KFC, the line long from here, so
Jamaican people love their KFC, and I know why.
But some people, sometime a lot of persons would agree with me. Many people know this when you come on to Grand Market and they still buy it. But people would say don't buy fast food because they have such a massive lineup. They make the food become extra fast food.
Okay.
So sometimes it's not even fully cooked because they rush it.
Makes sense.
But may I tell you, Grand Market is one of the best. And the greatest thing, I made a post on my Instagram this morning. Cartel of this song and I say, I'm coming home, it's a holiday. When I say, the wine cake set a record. You know what I say? When it's Christmas time, we normally get whitewash. It's like a whitewash that you use to paint house.
Okay.
The primer basically, and you would paint the bottom of the trees white.
Oh.
And then the entire community, like the government would pay people in the community to weed up the entire community.
Oh, that's nice.
So you weed up the sidewalk, so when you come in the community, you look like you get a fresh haircut.
Oh, wow.
So the stones, the sidewalk painted a white, and the tree root painted a white, and the community cut the grass cut. And pepper light, it just...
Oh, you put pepper lights up?
It just give you a comment below.
Pepper lights are Christmas lights, if you guys don't know.
Pepper lights. So comment below if you know what I'm talking about. Here in Canada, yes, you see the Christmas tree and you see the snow. The snow is what signifies a great Christmas in Canada. In Jamaica, it's the white... You know how they look on it, the whitewash represents
the
snow.
White snow, yeah.
So they paint the sidewalks, we paint the sidewalks, and we paint the tree trunks, and I tell you, like, it's one of the best when you wake up Christmas morning and you step out in your community. You see the entire strip, especially us living in a scheme, the entire strip, both sides of the road, we cut. Because throughout the year, everybody have money to cut their lawn.
Yeah.
So throughout the year, the entire street, the both sides clean. And then whitewash.
And you got a nice cool
you just
breeze.
bathe and you just step out and the best
nice.
feeling. But I couldn't experience Grand Market one at a time.
Yeah.
Bring everybody and make Jamie them see it set up like. You know, so hopefully fingers and toes
and ears
toes crossed.
And eyes.
And fingers, toes and eyes crossed. We're gonna do that for 2022, and by that time Ajar will be 1+, 1.5 years, you know. So he would be aware somewhat. So Grand Market.
So you bring babies out too?
Everybody, remember saying like Canada way cool no more.
So you guys don't give gifts, you guys just give money and you buy your own gifts.
Yeah, like my household, I cannot speak for the entire Jamaica, because you know you have the bougie people who been traveling from them young. I'm not gonna call no bougie.
Yeah, bougie, they just.
I'm not gonna say no bougie. The more fortunate people who have cause right now people that consider me bougie because I can afford to send my mother money and say buy some gifts or put a Christmas tree in your house, which we never have a Christmas tree before. But
that's not bougie, that's just...
No, but if you're in a place where you can get a gift and everybody get gift, people are upon and say, yo, they have it in a life, whereas you cannot get that. So back then, we couldn't afford to buy each other gifts. So mommy just give us pocket money, buy us a new shoes, new shirt, new pants, and give us some money to go. So all 3 boys and a mommy alone, she give us 3 new shoes.
Your mom never went out. She just stayed away.
Her going out is going out to buy the grocery shopping and then come back home.
Wait, so she does the grocery shopping the same day?
Yes, it's remember it's an experience.
Yeah.
So mommy go out and she shop and see when you walk Grand Market. So like when I wake up now, I'm going to bed 7 o'clock this morning, so we come in from Grand Market, we would come home 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock in the morning, because them time the party just a close off.
Okay.
And then you sleep until 2 o'clock. When you sleep and wake up 2 o'clock, Christmas dinner already ready, you know.
So this is on Christmas Day?
Grand Market is Christmas Eve, but you go over to Christmas morning.
Oh, and then
it's an all-night
and then you wake up the next day to Christmas.
You wake up Christmas 2 o'clock and food ready. Mommy cook all of the nice food then. And then after you eat that now, you and your family just chill out and you go sleep again. You wake up and you go back a party again, because they have this thing Boxing Day. Christian have this thing named Peter of Apple Tree Plaza.
Do they still have it?
Yeah, every year. Big up Peter Apple Tree Plaza. You know what I say? That was a year party where is a must go to.
If you don't go, you're lame basically.
If you don't go, if you don't go, the year was not. You didn't
close the year
properly.
Okay.
Comment below if you're from Christian or Manchester or just Manchester. If you didn't go to Peter Fun Day and night event on Boxing Day, you did not complete the year properly. Cool. One of the biggest party in Christian and Manchester on Boxing Day. Everybody, remember in your party, Grand Market night, you sleep in Christmas morning, eat it, and relax with the family, and then you bring out the kids Boxing Day and the kids go play.
That's so much fun.
Yeah, the kids jump, bounce about, and the kids them don't know, then gone home and the adult them come out at night and party till the morning again.
Yeah, Christmas in Jamaica sounds really good. Like here in Canada, it's fine. It's like, you know, today what we're gonna do? I said today we're just gonna take some pictures. I saw Jeremy have hot chocolate, some snacks before he goes to bed and watch a Christmas movie, and then he wakes up tomorrow, has his Christmas, and then go to my mom's for a bit and come back. That's Jamaica, you know. You
know what? If COVID never locked any place, probably could I go like a Christmas market or or close by now.
Well, they have Christmas lights and stuff.
Yeah, but I not like Jamaica. As I said, grand.
Yeah. Oh my God, let me tell you guys a quick story. I remember, I think it was 3 years ago, me, Adrian, Jameer, and my sister Anisha Adams, we went to a Christmas lighting here in Durham region, okay? I went. We have pictures. Maybe if I have a picture, I'll show you guys. But we went downtown, and let me tell you guys, I thought the Christmas lighting would have been like bare Christmas lights on the trees and things post on the stairwells, everything. Nope. So, anyways, they said, okay, it's time for Christmas lighting. So me and my sister, all of us, we have our cameras up. I think we even recorded it, but we didn't post it or anything.
Whenever we weren't vlogging, only she vlog them time.
Yeah,
we weren't vlogging them time.
So, oh my god. So they said, the countdown, 10, 9. They got to 1, they turned the light. We all looked at each other like, what just happened? It was just white lights on one one tree. Everybody was looking at each other like,
no
what?
music.
No music, nothing. They didn't even have a band outside, nothing. They had people selling like their products and stuff, like small businesses, but they didn't have anything special. I was like so embarrassing.
Pop-up shop type of vibe.
Yeah. I was like, it was very disappointing. I'm like, I need to go into this committee and show them. Like, I would have like a whole band up playing music. I would have people, like, I think it was when I went to Jamaica when I was younger that I experienced like that joy in like
like
going
they put
out.
Work, like people put effort into celebration.
I went to, the first time I experienced a stage show in Jamaica was Manchester Fiesta.
Yo.
Comment below if you guys know about Manchester Fiesta.
Memories.
I have pictures. I think I have some pictures. I'll probably put them in here if I do. Manchester Fiesta, I think it's 2010.
Sorry for interrupting you. Do you want to end off this Vlogmas by editing this video?
I don't know.
Because you're commenting and saying, you're saying how much picture you're going to put on and forgot to have me edit the video. And it's
listen, if I edit today, it won't be up till tomorrow because I haven't edited in a long time. But,
you can go and
listen,
up on the road.
Went to Manchester Fiesta, and when I noticed how the people on the stage interact with each other, like the people on the stage interact with the crowd and everybody's dancing, everybody's laughing. There was, what were those two guys called? Sarge.
Comedian name?
Yeah.
IT and Fancy.
No, they went there before. It was some guy. He was wearing like a soldier thing, and they had this short friend. They were just interacting. I don't know. I forgot the name.
Probably go a year when I didn't go.
No, we went
go every year.
I seen you that year, and then that's when we seen Barb's Cartel on stage.
Oh, that's 2010.
2008. No, it was 2009. I wasn't in Jamaica.
2009.
I seen you in 2000. Yeah.
I think that's the first time I saw Cartel.
First Cartel.
That time, Popcorn and everybody was Da Vinci. Never used to unravel.
Yeah, Da Vinci came up. Yeah. It was so
Hyper, good. Indo.
I was there.
Wait. Let me go, my brother. You see, those are some times that really brought joy to us. So, your general degree from out of Manchester, big up yourself, you know. I don't know if they still keep Manchester Fiesta,
think so, no.
but that was one of the summer's biggest show in Manchester. Manchester Fiesta, you have. Sorry, I was going to say 1,000. I think you have hundreds of musicians who come out to Manchester Fiesta. So general degree.
Yeah, and it's
big up.
It would start from the morning. I remember.
Straight from the morning. Because fun day become like
fun day.
Like
kids.
Peter thing I tell about. So fun day after the kids go home. Party.
I was able to stay even. Whatever.
When them time you're about 16 and you're in a party. No, but yes, sir, you go on the fun day with your sister.
Yes.
But then it'll probably look so big as far and already done in the event already.
My sisters then went home.
Your little sister
they went home.
Like Shulu and Chubby them they go home.
They went home and then me.
I think I am Frankie the one that always
stay back. Me, Kamika, Ala, we stayed back.
Yeah.
And it was lit. I was like, this is how it goes in Jamaica. I'm like, I've never seen this before.
Was that your first Manchester Fiesta?
Yeah.
I think let me bring you, know.
No, you didn't bring us. I met you. We met you there.
Like me telling about, you know?
I think so, probably.
So one party, where do you go?
Yes.
And I went. You can bring us your little sister in the morning. And we can
go it was so much fun. If you guys experience Manchester Fiesta, comment below. Like, just tell us your experiences, like, for concerts or Grand Market. Because those are some good times. I totally forgot about that.
Yeah, no.
Like,
and that's the thing, you only used to come during the summertime, so you look forward to that.
Oh, I remember that day because Chris Martin, he was singing.
She loved Chris Martin.
I used to love him like that. I used to have a big crush on Christopher Martin. And he was singing in the crowd to me. And I was like,
Did I sing to you?
Yeah. I think, or was it the girl beside me?
I love him off.
I got his signature and everything, but not in Manchester Fiesta. I got his signature a year after.
And a picture, I think you take
I have a picture, have his signature and everything.
Then Christopher Martin hot.
Yeah.
But just come out a Rising Stars and you have a buzz.
So embarrassing. I remember we went to this place in Portmore. It was another stage show where they're giving away backpacks and stuff for back to school. It was like a back to school concert fun thing. Anyways, they said Christopher Martin is now reading to the kids in the tent. Please go to the tent. I'm like, kids reading? I'm like, Christopher Martin's here. I grabbed Destiny. I'm like, Destiny, run! And Destiny's like, what is happening? I was like, we gotta go see him. She's like, okay. We just ran. I jumped over a whole bunch of stuff.
So you jump over a little bit in too?
Probably. Good thing I learned how to do hurdles when I was younger, because when I was saying I was jumping over things, I was jumping. And then I was the first one there.
You know have the
picture?
What you call that something when people like celebrity, you know have that
something. Oh no. So listen.
That's a kid face. Imagine me and my woman go out and my hurdle
no.
go take a picture do next man.
No, it wasn't like that.
Comment below and tell me how you finish your talk. I'm gonna make one speech.
Okay, so anyways, I hurdled there, got there. Me and Destiny were the first ones. So I'm like, now I'm sweating, breaking in sweat. I'm like, oh my god, he's in there. So anyways, we walk in, he's sitting down, and I sit down where the adults sit, and then Destiny's sitting on the floor in front of him. And we're all just looking at each other like this. And he was like, hi. No, he's like, hi. That's how he sounded to me. He's like, hi. And that's what Destiny's like.
Kind of young, them tiny too, eh?
Well, yeah, probably in his 20s, I don't know. Well, yeah, anyways, he said hi. To me, his voice sounded weird, but anyways. And then Destiny's like, hi. And then so he looked at me and I was like, huh. And I never said anything.
And then get cold feet.
And at the end, he was signing autographs and stuff, so I got his picture. And then all these girls are giving him hugs and stuff. I'm like, that's weird. Why would I give somebody I don't know a hug? So anyways, I was like, oh my god, Chris Martin, can I get your signature? And I was waiting in line. I'm like, can I get your signature? Yeah. And he signed it, and then that was the last time I seen him.
Wake up.
Oh, I got too excited about Chris Martin.
The story done just in time, eh? But yeah, comment man. They have this thing, as I was saying before Alyssa had to leave. Let's say you go out and your husband or boyfriend see a female musician that they like, and they run away, leave you to go to, give me a second, Jamaican. They run away, leave you to go to that person with no, can I go, I'll be back, nothing, just run away. And vice versa, if your woman just run into the arms of a musician. No. People do that. You know they do that a lot too?
Who?
At Dexter.
Oh, Dexter, yeah. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure enough relationships have been broken up.
And you gone up on stage, gonna make man a drag your heel like in the bedroom and the back of thing.
You can't do that if you're in a relationship. People who do that in a relationship, that's
imagine not have all the man. Imagine have me go out now and me jump up on stage, go wine up. Just not even tell you say yo, me so forward. Me just gone left in a crowd and me go wine up.
Oh, I've seen videos like that.
Now me I tell like them thing
so disrespectful.
Like me no know where you go.
You're obviously not in a relationship.
Go back at the same yard.
You're obviously not in a relationship with the person if you're doing that.
We not
like there's nothing wrong with you taking pictures with the celebrity.
I draw your face.
Yeah, we can show it. But I think it's okay to go see your celebrity crush and stuff like that. It's just how you react toward. Not even react. You can scream and say, "Oh my god!" You know, I don't. Who cares?
No, okay to go up on stage and people are all and pull you.
Yeah, you're like hugging them up and kissing them up and leaning against them.
When they call you up on stage, I whine them, I go whine out and a bag of thing. No, I'm not depend on that. I'm not depend on that. And some of them are grab. You see, remember, they don't know you from nowhere, you know, so they not do with no form of respect. And so I grab them in the air and bam, bam, and dash him out there. So. And then me and you go back home together.
I watched a video where this girl is whining with some celebrity, and the guy literally went on stage and grabbed her and took her off. I'm like, people are like, the person, I don't know what celebrity it was. And he's like, that's your man? She's like, yeah. And he's like people are like, why would you do that?
Yeah, it's embarrassing.
That was her boyfriend.
Some people risk their entire future for one moment.
Listen, he's embarrassing too, because I would have just walked away and left. Like, why even showing your face? I would never show my face if someone did that.
Remember, listen, it's love is that love is. I don't know what they call it love.
Did you poop oops? Did you poop oops?
Because when people, sometimes when people hate it, then treat it better than when they love it. Because when they love it, then treat it the worst. Because you love making act out in anger, they say, you know. Because the love get him jealous and he go grab her, you know. But if you know what I say? So love is a thing where it's just upon the borderline close to hate. Comment below and let me know if I'm speaking facts or not. So yeah, you see Ajaria slap you up, you know what? Remember that video me make me kiss him and him box me?
Yeah. Oh my god, you should show
like
it.
Nobody
if you have it, add it in here.
Watch him, you know what? Nobody kiss him up.
No, he doesn't want you kissing him up.
Every video you're yawning, you're just don't waking up in every video, eh? This guy's gonna get everybody sleep with his yawning face. Alright, I'm gonna log off now. Jam in.
Walmart closes at like 4 o'clock, so you gotta go.
Jam time. Say hi to the camera now, please.
Hi.
Say not the camera, say hi to the Morris Time family. Looking at camera fast on the boss.
Hi camera.
Not camera. Hi family.
Hi, family.
He loves games so much. That's the only feature he gets for today. Big up each and everybody celebrating Grand Market today, December the 24th.
Enjoy it, man.
Today 24th?
Enjoy for us.
Today 24th?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Enjoy it. And enjoy your Christmas Eve. You know?
Big up on yourself, man. Stay safe.
Christmas time.
Stay safe out there, Grand Market. You know what I say? I hope if you're a hustler, you make some money this year and your pocket overflow. You know what I say? And just do something nice for somebody today.
Yeah.
And thank you. Listen, big up on yourself.
Honestly.
Big up on yourself. The video came out late this morning, which was supposed to come out last night, but the computer crashed. And I made a quick 1 minute update video. And I saw you guys in the comments and you said to me, you know what? We don't care if the video late. We're just so happy to see when you guys post.
Yeah,
so
we appreciate that.
big up on yourself and enough love for that.
But wait.
You see?
You know what I want you guys to do? Comment, like, and share, so you can get to 14,000 for the end of the year.
We are 100 people away from 14,000.
90.
90.
Well, yeah, as of right now, 90 people less than 14,000.
So that's a simple ask for the Vlogmas.
If you share to 2 people, those people may share to another 2 people, which you may share to another 2 people. So it adds up. So you guys share.
He's just steering me down. He's always steering me down.
Share.
Share.
Share. Share. We appreciate you guys. You guys are
Mama
awesome.
Boy, big man thing, man. In 2018, I started the channel. I did not do any Vlogmas. In 2019, we did a Vlogmas. That's the first time when after Alyssa appeared on camera, we did a Vlogmas and we went all in on it.
Before the pandemic happened.
Before the pandemic, and we did the entire 25 videos, right?
Yes.
In 2020, we skipped.
Yeah, the pandemic, it was stressful. It was a bunch of stuff, you know?
We skipped. And this year, Alyssa said, are we doing Vlogmas? We said, Vlogmas is a must. You see me? And we stuck to it. The only thing is, you got a few late videos. That's because, as we said before, we upload the day off. So every time I get these videos, it's our current day.
Yeah.
And Alyssa is saying, why you don't? I'm just like that. I like to. We say Vlogmas are up. We're doing daily vlogs, so I want to give you that daily feel.
Listen, we're not doing that next
Everything
year.
we're doing.
No, we're not doing that next year.
Different next year.
We're doing the day before because it's too stressful, man.
So we just get idea before and yeah, but it worked. This is the last video for Vlogmas until tomorrow. We're gonna go live tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll go
for
live.
gift opening and just. We're gonna be live, so join us tomorrow. Let us say.
No, that's not give it time because it depends how tired we are tonight.
No, let us say 3 o'clock.
We're not gonna wait that long to open gifts. No, you're crazy. Jamaican would start crying.
So between 9 and 11, so turn on your post notifications. We're gonna go live and we get to talk to each and every one of you that leave a comment, and we're giving us some shout out in the comment section. We're gonna be in there. We just see it at Jari's first Christmas.
You got to experience Jari's first Christmas
with us. So we want you to experience Jari's first Christmas with us live. So tomorrow we won't be making no edited videos. Live in the flesh. Christmas. You see me? Christmas? No.
Christmas.
See, Jamir opening his gift, his reaction. Ajari, well, he don't have much of a reaction still. But yeah, tune in tomorrow. And once again, you know, thank you very much for watching. You see me? And you know what to do when you come here.
What you see here.
What you hear here.
Before you leave here.
Like.
Comment.
Subscribe.
And share.
Until next time.
CF Travel upon the gravel.
And go and big up on yourself. You have to work